Good day, will you please introduce yourself?
I'm Evelyn Picaña. I live in Barangay Timbao, Binyan, Laguna. I'm 40 years old. High school graduate.
Okay, how many children do you have?
3 children.
How old are they?
4 years old, 7 years old, and 12 years old.
Okay, can you please tell us about your working experience?
Domestic helper, Mr. and Mrs. Raymond Chan, since of October 9, 1995 up to 2008.
So as a housemaid, what are your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities as domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and take care of baby.
So do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care of newborn baby by feeding milk every 3 to 4 hours, barb the baby after feeding, change diaper, sing the baby to sleep by singing lullaby.
So can you sing a simple children's song? Let me wet.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay, what will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check the diaper if it is wet, or I'll check if the baby is hungry. But if the baby is still crying, then I will inform my employer that their baby is crying for a long time already.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly or an aged person?
Yes, madam. I am willing to take care of an elderly person since he by grandparents. I care of them like my special one by helping them to take their good food medicine.
How would you handle naughty children?
I will handle naughty children by being friendly and playful with them so I could get their attention. I sing with them, teach them good manners and right conduct, reading books together, and giving them loving care.
Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and many others. I also know how to cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, noodles, soup, and I'm very much willing to learn more.
Most of the employers in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very much interested to learn Cantonese language so that I could fully understand by employer, especially to the elders.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household works and at the same time, taking care of the children. So how would you handle this kind of situation?
First, I will make sure that the employer's children are in safe place by putting them into the crib or by giving them some toys to play. Then I will continue doing my works.
In case that you found something like money inside a pocket while washing your employer's clothes, or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back to my employer, ma'am.
What about during your day off, when the employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitors, what will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve my employer together with their visitors.
Can you please tell us why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I went to work in Hong Kong because of my high salary given to the domestic helper, to which I can help and support my family to provide their needs in financial matters.
So if you will be given a chance to work in Hong Kong as domestic helper, what would you like to say to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, if you will give me the opportunity to work as your helper, I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, and trustworthy, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract without causing any problem. Thank you very much, sir,
Okay,
madam.
thank you.